String manipulation is a common task for PHP programmers. It's one of the things that you might find yourself doing once you're writing PHP applications. You might, for example, have to manipulate strings from user input or data that came from a web service. Regardless, PHP offers a pretty robust set of string functions to help you manipulate strings in various ways. I'm going to go over a bunch of those in this segment. Now, by the way, if you want to see what you can do with strings, refer to the PHP manual. This is the strings section, and all these links that you see are different methods that can work on strings. There's several dozen of them. I'm not obviously going to have time to go over all of them, but I'm going to go over some different types so you can see examples. All right, so first, let's take a look at here the result. I've got a string call that's got the text in it. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs. So first thing I do is I print out the entire string. Then I use string length, strlen. That simply tells you how many characters are in the string, including spaces. A space is a character. So including the spaces and the period at the end, that's 46 characters. Now, if I need the position of a singular character in the string, for example, the position of the first Q, I can use string position. This function takes two arguments. And oftentimes you hear programmers refer to this as haystack needle, where you're looking and what you're looking for, or needle in a haystack. And I can tell you too, programmers often forget whether the order is needle haystack or haystack needle. So for string position, it's haystack needle. You're looking in the string, that's the haystack, for the needle, Q. So the position of Q is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice I started counting with 0. Do you remember something else that's indexed with a 0? Arrays. Might give you some insight into how strings are stored behind the scenes. It's an array of individual characters. First index is 0. 0, 1, 2, space is 3, Q is 4. If we need to count the number of words, sometimes you'll see, in a form, enter in 100 words or less. Well, here you can count the number of words with string word count. This is 9 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, it's not recognizing the words, it's just recognizing the spaces between sets of characters. But it's pretty cool. So that's string word count, and that takes as an argument the string for which we're counting the words. All right, so those are your first 3 string manipulation functions. I'll be back with some more in the next video.